What's up, online shoppers? What if you've had a long, hard day on your feet? You've been doing a lot of walking, a lot of running around, and you just want a way to press reset on how rough your feet feel. Like your feet feel done, the kind of done where you just want to sit and chill. Now, whether you're dealing with achy arches or throbbing feet, or you have chilly feet in the evening after you've been out running errands and you just want a way to warm up, this awesome little foot massager from CuPiLo might just be what your feet are looking for. Now, this one here was gifted to me by the brand, and I love the feeling of slipping my feet into this thing. I was genuinely curious to see how one machine like this could combine heat, massage, and compression to make my feet feel like they were new again. Now, it weighs just under 7 pounds, and it's pretty straightforward in how it's constructed. The foot part right here, controls right here. Now, what I like about the controls is that they're designed for you to use this while you're sitting with your feet in it. When I look at it this way, the signage is all upside down because it's designed to be used while you're sitting in it with your feet here, so you can easily see what's on the screen. The buttons are pretty straightforward. This is your power, and when you turn it on, you can probably hear the vibrations. It defaults to low setting, low kneading, and low heat. Now, there are these little air socks in here that gently fill and squeeze your feet. For me, that is my favorite, heat and compression. Also, when you slip your feet inside here, you can feel the rotating shiatsu massage nodes go up and down your foot. It feels like I've gone to my massage therapist and she is massaging my feet with pressure, kneading, rolling. It's so relaxing. The heat functions will adjust anywhere from 113 up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and it does have an overheating auto shut-off protection feature built right into the device. They do recommend that you don't use it for more than 15 minutes because of exposure to the heat, but if you use it on a low setting, really it is personal preference. There are 5 different compression levels, and the compression is applied to your instep, to your heels, and to your ankles. As well, there are 3 different vibration modes, plus the kneading and rolling from the shiatsu heads. Setup time for this is basically just plug it in and it's ready to go instantly. For me, I absolutely love the feeling of this. Compression plus vibration shiatsu is a multi-level approach to massage, which makes it a full foot massage rather than just a bottom of foot massage. The other thing that's pretty cool about this is you can take out this sleeve right here and wash it because your feet are going to get sweaty in here. So I love the convenience of being able to take out this little sock, throw it in the washing machine, and then zip it back into its place once it's clean. Now, overall, I really love this little thing. It has become a hot commodity at my house because everybody wants to slip their feet into this at the end of the day. So whether you've been out in the cold and your feet are freezing and you're looking for a way to just heat them up, turn on the heat massage. Or maybe your feet are throbbing and sore and tired from being on them all day, just turn on the compression and the rolling massage. Or if you want the total experience, customize it exactly how you want it right on this little keypad. It's like a mini spa at your home, and at my house, it's also a family favorite.